Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to search the library catalog for materials. And this is just a basic search. So what we want to do is go up to the search bar here at the top, type in reedlibrary.org. It's reedlibrary.org. So that takes you to our library's website. And then we have to go to the catalog page, and there's a link up at the top here. You can see the mouse here. It just says catalog. You're going to click on that. This takes you to the catalog page. Now there's two ways to limit the search to materials only available at Reed Memorial Library. You can do it before you do the search. If you use this box over here on the left, you can limit it just to Reed Memorial Library that way. I'll show you the other way to use the search feature though. So I'm just going to look up gardening books. So I'm just going to type the word gardening and hit search. Notice I didn't change anything in the first two boxes there. It still says everything and keyword. So it's going to come up with all these results here. It says 3,233 results found. And then what I really like to do is limit the results after I do my initial search. And so you can do that on the side here. It says limit search results. And so to show only Reed Memorial Library available items, you can click on that box there and hit include. That's going to narrow it down just to what we have at Reed Memorial Library. And you'll see it went down from 3,000 some to 458. The other reason I like to use this limit search feature after doing the initial search is it lets you really specify a lot of other categories. It lets you narrow it down by format. So we only want books for this instance. I'm going to hit books and then hit include. It's going to narrow it down even further. It's going to show you different authors. If you have a specific author you're looking for, you can hit more. It's going to show you a whole big list of authors. And since I did a search for gardening, you can even narrow down the subject then. So it says subject over here on the side. You can hit more. It's going to show you all the more specific subjects. Gardening, landscape gardening, vegetable gardening, organic gardening, herb gardening. Even has gardening cookbooks. So it lets you really narrow it down. And let's just pretend we want to focus on vegetable gardening. So I'm going to click on that box and hit include. Now it's really narrowed down. It's showing 44 results instead of 3,000. And you can look at other features here on the side. You can do publication date if you know what year it came back. You can look at the most current books. But I'm just going to go through the list here now and see what looks good. So we've got straw bale gardening, year-round gardening, heirloom vegetable gardening. That sounds like a good one, so I'm going to place a hold. So I'm going to click the red button here on the side. It's going to ask you for your library card number and your PIN number. So you're going to need your library card and type the whole big long number on the back there. And then the PIN number is set to the last four numbers in your phone number. So you're going to have to log in. I'm going to click that button. And it gives you an option to pick up at a certain location. And you can choose the library or the window. But right now we're just going to be doing the window pickup. And so I'm going to choose Read Pickup Window and hit Place Hold. And it went through because it says success there. So that hold is ready to go. I'm going to click OK. Now, let's pretend I decided I don't want that book. I want to cancel the hold. So I'm going to go up to the top again, and this is where it says My Account. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to the page where it says Holds. right here in the middle. See where the mouse is? I'll click on that. I found the book here, so this is the one I just placed the hold on. I'm going to click the little box next to it and hit cancel holds. It's going to ask me to confirm that, and I'll hit yes. Okay, so that's that. That's how to cancel a hold. You can always go back to the list of everything if you want to place another hold on another book. So we'll go back to another gardening search. So there's those 3,000 results again, and so that way you can see just how useful it is to use those search limiters after you do your initial search. If you have any questions, just let me know.